After many requests, let's dive into how to finally achieve the most gorgeously hydrated natural twist you've ever had. Let's get into it. So the washing process is the foundation. Truly hydrated hair equals the juiciest looking twists, so be sure to use a moisturizing shampoo, conditioner, and a deep treatment mask, preferably with heat. Now for the prep. While you absolutely do not need to blow dry the hair for this style, I do like to work on stretched natural hair for the smoothest, most elongated results. I encourage most of all though, heat-free stretching methods, especially if you're a beginner. I don't like to encourage clients to use heat at home. I always encourage a heat-free stretching method, one of those being the banding method. You can also stretch the hair by putting your hair in chunky braids on wash day and taking the braids out once they're fully air dried. If you are choosing to blow dry your hair, I highly recommend using a cream-based heat protectant. I find that using a cream-based heat protectant as opposed to a liquid water-based one allows for more moisturized hair and a fluffier finish. Be sure to download my ultimate product list for links and descriptions of every product you'll need for this style, as well as all of my recommended products for excellent results on textured hair. Stick around for part 2, where I'll dive into proper product layering and twisting technique. See you in the next video.